be a big event. I'm excited to go there. I don't know if it's one of those events where it's just like, oh, everyone has a supercar and then I pull in with my hunk of junk, but we will see when we get there. It's probably, hopefully, going to be a lot more diverse than the other meets, other bigger meets in like the nicer areas like this. So I will catch up to you guys when I get to the meet, and then we'll go from there. Love it. I guess I picked the wrong time to show up to the show. Just like literally sitting out here where a trailer is in the back of the event. But hey, if the ZL1's parked over here, that's cool. So my car is dirty as hell. It's supposed to be overcast and raining. I was gonna have it washed, but I figured if it was raining, what's the point in washing it? And got up this morning and saw that it was gonna be overcast. So it's dirty and everyone can see it because of the sun. So fantastic. If you see me at the show or you see my car at the show, mind your business because it's a little dirty. So we're back in the car. I didn't get much footage of the show. Honestly, it was fun, but it wasn't anything I'd really care to bore y'all with. So I guess now we are on the way to the exhaust shop. Currently on my car, I have B&B test pipes. I believe B&B makes a wide range of test pipes. So I'm sure even all you import guys and stuff know exactly what I'm talking about. But pretty much like a primary cat delete. I also have a 3-inch X pipe, so it deletes the secondary cats also. And currently it's just into some little resonators and straight out the back. It's loud, sounds good, but overall the drone inside the car is not something I enjoy, especially since I daily drive this car. So we are actually doing something that I see a lot on forums and a lot on YouTube. I'm gonna keep the resonators on there, at least 2 of them, because there's 4 on there now. I'm gonna keep 2 of the resonators, cut the back 2 off, and then put stock mufflers on. Stock mufflers are still a straight through design, and they have like a lot more packing than like a resonator would. And based on videos I've seen, it's gonna sound great. Obviously video will never do it justice, so I'm just gonna have to do it and see. But it still gives you a straight through like flow design, and but muffles it a lot more. So it should hopefully eliminate this drone that you can probably pick up on camera, because I know it sounds pretty bad in some of my other videos. But yeah, I don't mind it being loud. I don't mind it being loud outside the car or me hearing the exhaust note inside the car. But whenever it's sitting at like 1700 RPMs, like idling, or not idling, but just kind of flowing on the road, it damn near shakes the plastics in the car. So I want to alleviate that, but also keep it sounding aggressive, which I'm hoping that's what this is going to do. And based on videos and reviews and everything that I've heard, that's exactly what it's going to do. So I did get a few clips of the exhaust now, currently how loud it is, how it sounds. And I'm also going to have a completely separate video on all of the sound and the exhaust. It's probably going to be like a 2-minute long video, just so that someone, if they're browsing the internet and they're curious what it sounds like, they can click on it and not have to deal with all my crap and what I'm saying. So yeah, yeah, look out for that. Also, you know, subscribe, because I'm going to have a lot more content coming in. Sorry, I'm about to miss my exit. Yeah, so we're heading to the exhaust shop now, and I will meet up with you guys when we get there and kind of show you the install of underneath the car after everything's put on there. Okay, I don't think y'all understand how excited I am when he started this up. It still has like a great like little rumble to it, and I mean it sounds louder as you like get on it, but it is like a Prius inside now. Oh, I love it, I love it. Oh man, it sounds so good. And I just like full throttle just now. I don't even know if you could pick that up on camera, but I am like beyond excited. It literally sounds like a factory vehicle inside of it. But then, you know, you wouldn't know it's 600 horsepower to the wheels. And now I know I can get headers and it won't sound stupid loud. Oh man, you have no idea. Like how excited I am for how like good this sounds. It's like you can't hear anything when it's idling. It's fantastic. And I know, people are gonna think when they watch the video, what would you get a supercharged V8 if you don't want to hear it? I'm sorry, I guess I'm getting old. I can't stand drone on an exhaust system. I don't mind hearing an exhaust or, you know, just freedom, just hauling ass down the road. But I can't stand the drone. It almost makes you not want to drive the car. But now that I've got this on, driving this now is almost like I'm driving something that just came off, you know, kind of like off the lot, but with all these modifications on there. It's so silent, it's amazing. But I don't care what y'all say, because there's nothing I feel like is more satisfying than pulling up in a car like this that sounds completely factory because it has stock mufflers on it, and laying the gap down on whoever seems to pull up thinking I'm just all stock. That's satisfying. So yeah, I'm actually like absolutely in love with these mufflers that are on here. I repainted them and then had them put 5-inch tips on there just to make them like look not factory, because the factory tips are ugly in my opinion. But yeah, it looks kind of like aftermarket from the back, so I love it. I'm excited. I'm actually like literally enjoy driving it again. It's like awesome to be able to hear myself like think practically. So yeah, highly suggest that if you want it a little more quiet but still got a little rumble on it. Especially I wouldn't put these on if you still got all your catalytic converters and things like that, because then you will literally be driving a Prius. But if you have B&B test pipes, or you have headers, long tubes, whatever you've got on there, and your car is like extremely loud, I would suggest putting the factory mufflers back on there. I believe I think I've read on all the forums that guys can still make like 700 horsepower or something, 800 horsepower on factory mufflers before they start to like render like some horsepower. So I don't see me getting above 700 like anytime soon. And I may be wrong. They may go way over that. Like, and how restrictive could it possibly be? It's a straight through muffler. All it has is a lot of packing around the perforated tube inside the muffler. So, I mean, honestly, I think the only thing that makes it not as beneficial as others is the fact that it has 2.5-inch pipe instead of 3-inch like most of the bigger exhaust systems come with. But I mean, hell, I love it. I would much rather drive this all day long than what it was before. I don't care if I lost 20, 30 horsepower. I'd rather pay the extra money to do something else to get that horsepower back rather than hear that crap again. So yeah, I'm excited, pumped. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe. I've got some pretty good stuff coming up that you're gonna like, especially if you own a Cts-v or looking to own a Cts-v. Gonna have some really, really good content coming out soon. Thank you for watching. It's been great. Getting the feedback I've gotten thus far. I've got 4 videos out now, and it's nice to see that I've progressed as I have thus far on YouTube. Not saying I'm, you know, big by any means, because but thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to even people who watch it don't subscribe. I appreciate the watch. People that comment, people that like. I know it doesn't like take much out of your day to do, but it means a lot to me to be able to see that interaction or positive feedback or even negative feedback. Just let me just know what I'm doing wrong or what I should be doing, or if, you know, I don't know, I've had people teach me stuff in the comments before. So appreciate all that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.
Perfect.